In almost every case, our spectra aren't going to cover much of the sensor at all. And that's especially true if you're using a DSLR, for example, that has a large sensor. So this area here and that area there show up on the graph without much interesting information. So we can cut that information off and speed things up and reduce file sizes. Another way of looking at this, let's look at the pixel axis over here on the graph because we haven't calibrated yet. We can see the image goes up to 5,000 pixels, which means we're carrying around 25 million, that's 5,000 squared pixels. Let's look at how we can shrink the image. Come up here, hold the control key down and the left mouse button, and then drag the mouse around the area that we want to sample, eliminating the rest. This is called cropping. Once we've done that, come up here to this crop image button and click it. Now you can see in that image that all of that extra space at either end are gone, and also the rotation is turned off because it cropped it to the orientation we were seeing. And over on the graph, we can see our image only goes up to 3,000 or so pixels, which is 9 million pixels when squared for a square image. So now we're carrying around only 3,000 squared or 9 million pixels as opposed to 5,000 squared, which is 25,000 pixels. So that's almost 3 times faster. And you'll notice that when you're rotating or moving the orange lines, that a smaller image runs more quickly. If you make a mistake cropping, you can always come down here and click on this button and roll back to the original image.